My phone rang. Who is this? I want you to do advert on my business. All right, no problem. You rent a hotel for me. Yeah. From renting the hotel for you. Oh, I prepared something for you. You can come. I live in a 4-room. I have a beautiful house. While you were going, did you left your bag? Why you know you were coming from America, you branch UK. Did you not left your bag in that hotel, or you took everything along? Getting there, you can stay in this room. You not stay. Did you not go back to collect your bag? Then in the night, your bola day for somebody mad. Yeah, you couldn't resist yourself. You remember I resisted Monica, but you were still calling me names. How many days ago or months ago? You slept, you call yourself chief, traditional double small chief. You are sleeping with people's wife. From there, and they now went and bought laptop and give me an office. Where your bag? Okay, when you now met Bola in your mouth, your Bola in her mouth, and you couldn't resist it. The following day, since she's 55 years old woman, she's married, and she's old. It's not your type. Did you not carry your things and go and warn her never to call your line again as a decent young chief you are? No. Me and you not be mate in anything. You see waiting and take pass you this life, I still take and pass you next life. Do you know how many months Monica was pursuing me here and there in their own house? I will still come and visit another day. It will still happen. I resisted it. I will run away because I thought I can still be visiting the husband. Maybe when I visit, the husband is not around. It want to happen again. I resisted it. And I was single and fresh. I was 35 years old. Yeah, I think 34, 35 years old. Handsome and swagalicious. You just they go around, they sleep with people's wife. They go. Your nyash don't open. And the question I have for you, if person say he not marry you again, you not feel marry. A year don't they pass, 2 years don't they pass. You know, say I never marry. We don't want to talk of children, may not be like say they love you. Because marry not me say person must born. Born not me say it's mandatory. But as an African people, we are all marrying because of children. So you just can't be unuseful for lives. Look at me. Fine boy. No, fine boy. You know say then I just they hold you now. They use just the whole man. They can't use just they hold you. You can't wake up say Ekmerebe, the just can't spoil. Although I don't know this woman they are talking about, but from your whole side of the story, you did very useless. You not even get the time it did useful before. You did very useless, you know, Saje. And the funniest part of it, you go see get mouth. They insult people, they tease people, they laugh people. Now you not fit manage wife, you not fit manage girlfriend. Make her not even talk say you not fit born yet, which according to whether na Ugbo that they call her Ugbo then tell us your own problem, Chinese problem, Igbo problem. You don't want to treat yourself. I wanna. You know the America settled down. You know they for those states settled down. Very ungrateful human being. Dion, you go explain tire. That is for sure. You go explain tire. You don't start to explain happy. You go explain your own side. Explain the woman's side. You say Lolo side still there. You go explain Lolo side tire. Decent man, responsible Kado, chief Kado. You know what it means to be chief, traditional chief. As he said, the woman rape you, good and fine. You cannot just get up and come and announce to the world, good and fine, to keep yourself, you know, your dignity and whatever. But did you not leave the house the following day? Remember, you did not bring your bag from hotel. Your bag still the hotel, abi? Your bag still the hotel. Hey, woman, I might have a beautiful who come, I prepare something for you. So if you want, can't go eat. Hotel when you lodge, when you never go, you can't carry all your luggage from America, can't go the hotel, go her house. Just to go eat, because you know seafood, eat for hotel. Then from there, you reach there. I have 4 rooms. Just stay this room. Where? I stay the room. This Dion self. Anyway, I thought say you be baby Dion. And you will remember that baby forever, because my hand that fed you, supported you. When you were in need spiritually, when people, including me, were seeing danger, people seeing danger, and the danger was spraying out, I didn't do it alone. I involved all my sons and daughters live video. All that there's so many times go and take egg. And when we did it, everything worked. The testimonies were everywhere. You knock at my door to pay me with ungratefulness. And you now become the person attacking me. I never swear for you. Me, I don't used to spoil what I prepared or what I built. I don't destroy what I built. But as for you, you go turn to Ologolukpo the audience. If you do good for man and woman, now gratefulness they'll tell they pay you. Now progress they'll tell they pay you. Now cause they'll tell they pay you. In short, they will gang up against you to say thank you. You go explain tire. Go settle down, John. Your mother need your settlements. Your mother need your wife and children. They need your settlement. Go and make your mommy proud. You are even proud that you have multiple girlfriends. The woman is not supported. Do you listen to your statement? Not be the woman even leave you. You say you find out how can you be dating a 55 years old woman that is not supportive? Anybody that is single, whether old or young, should contact you provided you need help. You really need help. You need help, Dion. You understand? You can even imagine now. Somebody just reminded me that statement that not the hotel. His bag was still at the airport. You can imagine when this small boy, when water never dry for his head, when they talk, if forget say you are talking to people, you are talking to the whole world. Because they say I wanna they do hand like this. You think everybody is stupid. Your bag was still at the airport. Your luggage was still at the airport, you understand? What are we talking about? Your luggage was still at the airport. Anyway, I just want to let you know, say I still they follow you. People still they post your wahala, your error to my page. Make I help you they check your error. Very ungrateful human being. Upon what you did to me, he said they come my house. You see, you did very useless. So as we don't become online whatever, you carry your mouth talk nonsense, good and fine. I want to shake you. You go call people. They call us from Spain for everywhere. They say they said to her. Even that day, they still call Eddy John online conference call. Good and fine. I say, I know follow you do problem because I want to show you something for that Benin small. Are they Europe or Lagos? But make I tell you, say, I still did that Benin full grand pass you. Spiritually, physically. They settled it. Good and fine. You wanted to come to my house. What do you want to do for my house? By all means, cook way for me. Now the same food now I carry you go meet a 55 years old woman according to you. Even you are the 55 years old woman, I don't know her, but according to picture they paste on where I was watching it. The woman look younger and beautiful than you now. Small boy when he be like an old man. But you not get settlement. You wanted to come to my house by all means. Sure, you want to come hug my wife, ni? You want to come if you see why if you not take time, even before we start to pray for you, we see that you have problem with your life. May they not come cut you short. You when you don't insult somebody publicly, you want make them, you want come visit us, make them cook wait for you. Do you know if I forgive or if my wife do forgive, then they cook for you? Now only poison that they see. Now so you they eat, they go, they hug people, wife, they sleep with them, they go. But I refuse you. I say, after I want to know whether not true. And I'm also placed in Lagos now. Send me your address. I want to be on my way. Send me your address. I want to be on my way. I just they look you. I not even respond to you again after I say yes. Make I know whether you really mean that. Now so another enemy tester. What do you want to do for my house? I'm not this single. I have wife and you are not a good type. You go explain tire, Dion. This is the beginning of your unsettlement. You know here say my wife don't born twins. Life not be baby rubber. In abroad, they are the children, they are already citizens. You understand? You go there. You go be like a erosion when they pass corner of the road, corner of the street. You do the whole Edo people for one night. You promise them heaven ahead. Not be say promise say you do with your money. You go around the whole continent, the whole global world. You tell them you want to build hospital, you want to build this, you want to build that. They will gather, they donate. Nobody give you $1 because you are great for your own selfish interest or personal use. They gave you money because you promised them you want to build the best hospital for Edo people, and you were displaying the structure of the hospital and not that the architectural work or whatever drawing. What did you do with the money? Today now you are still one left, right and center, moving life here and there. You are stranded, Dion. You are stranded. I promise not to talk to 99.9, but you are one of the one that I want to talk to. Not like talking to you as a friend. Whenever you are in a situation like this, I will come out so that you go explain tire until I understand, and you know I will never understand. You must explain. Oh, you are apologizing to the husband. How do you finally know he has a husband? She has a husband rather. You remember you say Juju care for your eye, Ekmerebe. So you for tell us say, as you can't know say girls man, I make you say you not do again. So you know say girls man, you see they do. You go explain tire. That your wife once said that you bring how many women to the house, you say make all of them do it together. You brought 2 women and you say you bring them to your matrimonial home, you say make your wife join them. Upon that, you are not settled. America today, Benin tomorrow, UK, everywhere, settle, you not settle. If you never reach to settle, nobody for ask you. But you once tried to settle, you couldn't manage your home. You destroying people's home in the name of God sent you to do what? No, God cannot send you to destroy people's home. Don't worry. Many will soon confess you. After all, you don't have anything. You got no dignity. You have no personality. So, maybe we just watch. Dion Sage.